Careers Zone YouTube channel. So here we will be giving you an regular updates regarding job openings pan India and as well as pan world. So please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. 14 job role will be project head, company talent acquisitions associates. Dodballapur location is Bangalore, in Bangalore Dodballapur. So minimum education qualification graduate, salary will be 17 lakh per annum. You can directly contact to Aditya, Anjali Aditya. Okay. Job 15, front office executive. So careers consultant, it's a consultant job. Job location will be Karimnagar, Warangal, Hyderabad. Requirement, any graduate, salary is 1.25 to 1.75 lakhs per annum. So you can directly contact to Navin. Now we are going to job 16. Job 16, assistant management manager. Company name BDO Rice Private Limited. Locations Bangalore, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Chennai. CA, CPA, ACCA 9 lakhs to 25 lakhs per annum salary. So you can directly drop your resume to the provided email ID. Job number 17, role will be sales and service engineer. Lucid Spire. Company name, location will be Bangalore, and requirement minimum 3 to 7 years experience they are looking, and salary will be 4 lakhs to 11 lakhs per annum. You can directly contact to Reshma, the HR. We have provided the email ID. And we are telling job number 18, job role international voice process. Company will be S10 Healthcare Solutions. Job location Chennai, and requirement freshers and experience both are welcome. US shift will be available. So salary will be 50,000 to 3 lakhs per annum. So again I am repeating, 50,000 to 3 lakhs per annum, not per month. Okay, you can directly contact to this HR and contact number we have provided. Job number 19, security testing. So global MNC clients they are looking into, and job location Bangalore. Requirements will be security testing with embedded testing. Salary 10 lakhs to 14 lakhs per annum. So you can directly drop your resume to Lavanya. So coming to job number 20. Job number 20, job role IT recruiter. Company name Six Sigma Soft Solutions. Location will be Bangalore. This job eligibility is only for females. Males don't apply. Okay, they'll not considering males. They only need females, and graduate 1.75 to 2.5 lakhs per annum. Okay, you can directly contact to Savita. Job number 21. So they are looking into job role business development executive. Company name S10 Healthcare Solutions. Job location Chennai. Freshers and experience both are welcome. US shift will be available. Salary 5 to 12 lakhs per annum. So you can directly contact to this HR. Okay.